Hi all, today I'm going to show you how to mince the chicken breast. You have already have the chicken breast or you know how to make it, please skip this video. The knife which I'm going to use is like not the teethed knife, the one with the chef knife, that is like a very uniform sharp knife. Teethed knife won't help in this, so remove it. I'm going to use this knife. Hi. In a funny way, I can say if you're really frustrated with anything or you want to show all your anger to someone or somebody, just show it to this chicken breast. You have to just beat the breast like just how you cut the vegetables. I have shown like a fast forwarding here. I don't want to show you very slow motion one, but chicken breasts are very soft and you can just cut the knife, just beat the breast. I think you can hammer it. Hammer will give more sound and beating is better. You can feel the difference when you take it out in the final product. Just cut. I have just shown you like just I'm cutting, like instead of doing it like slowly, you just beat it. Beat with a knife very nicely. You can see how nicely I'm just beating. Just see the layers in between. Very slowly I'm just beating. You can see underneath it didn't work properly, you can see it, but like when you beat again and again after flipping here and there, you can get a fine minced chicken breast. I'm not going adding salt or lemon juice, but some people say like you can do like it, but I prefer to do it. The method which I'm doing now is like work very perfectly when you keep both the hands, and when you do it kind of a mincing, it will be like working very nicely and you just not giving damage to the cutting board, but it gives very good effort on the chicken. If you see, I'm just flipping it and I'm just cutting it, and it's very easy and it's a stress buster for me, for you too, I hope. And you can see like the skin, like you can see that the thick fat part will be like one or two will be there, they don't get cut, but we are not a professionals or we are not going to make a professional one. Just leave it, it's not going to give you any bad effect on your dish. Just mince how much you can do it, and the remaining fat part or the skin part, let it be. You will get a fine chicken breast. Try doing it. Thank you. Yeah, forgot to add in this like the total amount of time which I have done in this particular part is like maximum 8 minutes, and this will work very fine. I have taken like 250 grams of chicken breast. Thank you.